Today, I'm going to show you how to add a CSV file as a new tab in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to import external data into an existing spreadsheet without replacing any of your current work. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to add your CSV file as a new tab. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open the spreadsheet. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on File, which will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet. From this menu, select Import. This is the gateway to bringing external data into your Google Sheets file. A new window will appear with several import options. Click on the Upload tab, which allows you to bring in files from your computer. Within the Upload section, you'll see a button labeled Browse. Click on this to open your File Explorer. Your file browser will now open, showing the folders and files on your computer. Navigate through your directories to find the CSV file you want to import. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it. This will prepare the file for upload into your spreadsheet. After selecting your CSV file, you'll see a new dialog box appear with import settings. This is where you control how the data will be added to your spreadsheet. Look for the section labeled Import Location and click on the drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Insert New Sheet. This ensures your CSV data will appear on a fresh tab without affecting your existing sheets. Once you've made this selection, click Import Data to begin the process. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Google Sheets processes and imports your CSV file. The time this takes depends on the size of your file, so be patient. You'll see a loading indicator showing the progress. And that's it. Your CSV file has been successfully added as a new tab in your Google Sheets. You can now work with this data alongside your existing sheets, making it easy to compare information or combine data sets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.